Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day. So far, today we're going to have a very quick and absolutely, definitely delicious meal. We have some blue corn tortillas, some well-seasoned ground turkey, salsa or pico de gallo, whatever you like to call it, smashed avocado. I wanted a nice fresh element, and some sharp cheddar cheese shredded off the block. This is a more healthier option, nachos. And then these were popped in the air fryer. So very simple air fryer nachos. And yeah, very good, extra delicious. And let's wait no longer. Let's get into the recipe. Yum. Look how good that looks. Just fresh. I love just fresh ingredients. Right, so in this bowl, we have our red onions, we have cilantro, we have habanero, and we have minced garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add half of this to this pot of oil. The other half is going to be used to make a salsa or pico de gallo, whatever you want to call it. Pico de gallo is a type of salsa. Salsa is typically warmed up on the stove, and pico de gallo is fresh, not warmed up on the stove, but it's still a type of salsa, which is sometimes called salsa fresca. Okay, and while that is warming up on the stove, let's go ahead and add some diced tomatoes to the rest of this. Paprika, black pepper, salt, freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I have this green sauce that I made, which is a blend of different spices and herbs. I'm gonna add some of that. It's very spicy. It has ghost pepper in it and habanero. So I'm gonna add some ground turkey. I'm gonna add some black pepper, some herbs, Italian seasoning blend. My favorite seasoning, which is almost done. I gotta re-up. The seasoning salt, Salsa tropical, paprika, and a little cumin. The ground turkey is all done. Added a little extra paprika because you know ground turkey doesn't really have color like ground beef. Garden of Eden blue chips. That's what we're using for our tortillas. This is sharp cheddar cheese from off the block. Added my ground turkey. I go ahead with a little bit more cheese over the top. I'm gonna put that in the air fryer for about 5 minutes on 400 degrees. I have an avocado here. I'm just going to smash this avocado. Just gonna add a little cilantro. Can't help myself. So that's that. Okay. Not done yet. Chunky tomatoes. You can get smaller diced tomatoes. Cilantro. Yum. Delicious.